this is Miss Clark, and this is Study Island 3.07a Quadratic Expressions. So here's a couple of problems to help you with these problems. Okay, so we need to find the factors of this, but we have a problem here. It doesn't work our usual way because there's a number in front of the 3. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this number and this number together. Okay? So 3 times 8 is 24. Now I'm going to list all the factors of 24. 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Alright, and they have to add up to positive 14, which the 2 and the 12 do. So I have two factors. One is 2, and one is plus 12. Okay, well, I'm not done yet. I'm going to put these over 3. Okay, so this becomes x plus 4, and I can't divide 3 into 2, so I'm going to make that 3x plus 2. Alright, and those are my two factors, which is as far as I have to go. And I can check these by multiplying them together, just to check and see. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3x is 12x. X times 2, 2x, x squared. Combine our like terms. And it matches. So that is correct. These are our factors. Alright, so let's try it again. So we are going to take this number and multiply them together, and that gives us 10. So let's list all the factors of 10. 1 and 10, 2 and 5. I believe that's it. And they have to add up to 11, which this one does. Okay, so I have x plus 1 and x plus 10. We can divide by this number here. Okay, and this becomes 2x plus 1, and this becomes x plus 5. Okay? Now, this one looks a little bit more difficult because 36 has a lot of factors. We could do it that way, but we can also notice that 4x squared is a perfect square and 9 is a perfect square. So we can write these as 2x, which is the square root of that, and the square root of that, plus 3, okay? And squared, just to be sure, what we do is take this and multiply these two together. That gives us 6x times 2, and make sure this matches that. So 6x times 2 is 12x, so this works. So this is this factored. It also can be written as 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 3. Okay? Last one. Look in here, and I can factor out a 3 and an x so far that I know of. 3 goes into 9 3 times. X goes into x squared with 1x left over. 3 goes into 24 8 times. X goes into x with 1 left over. Don't have to write the 1. I cannot factor that any further. That's as far as I can go.